What experience do you have with data entry?
I have 3 years of experience as a data entry operator. In my previous role, I was responsible for accurately inputting customer information, order details, and inventory data into our company's database. I developed a strong attention to detail and the ability to work quickly and efficiently to meet deadlines.
How do you ensure the accuracy of your data entry work?
To ensure accuracy, I always double check my work before submitting it. I also make it a habit to review data entries periodically throughout the day to catch any mistakes early on. Additionally, I'm proficient in using keyboard shortcuts and data validation tools to minimize errors during the data entry process.
How do you handle a high volume of data entry tasks?
When faced with a high volume of data entry work, I prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance. I create a detailed plan to tackle the workload efficiently, breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. I also utilize keyboard shortcuts and macros to speed up data entry, and I'm not afraid to ask for help from my team if needed to meet deadlines.
Can you provide an example of a time you identified and corrected an error in your data entry work?
In my previous role, I was entering customer order details into our CRM system when I noticed that the shipping address for one of the orders was incorrect. I immediately double-checked the source document and confirmed that the address was wrong. I then updated the correct address in the system and notified the customer service team to ensure the order was delivered to the right location.
How do you stay motivated and productive during repetitive data entry tasks?
I find that breaking up repetitive tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks helps me stay motivated. I also like to set personal goals, such as aiming to complete a certain number of entries per hour, to give me a sense of progress and accomplishment. Additionally, I try to incorporate short breaks and stretches throughout the day to recharge and avoid burnout.
How do you handle interruptions or distractions during data entry work?
I understand that interruptions and distractions are inevitable in a busy office environment. When they occur, I try to minimize the disruption by quickly jotting down where I left off, so I can easily pick up the task again. I also find it helpful to use the Do Not Disturb function on my computer or phone to block out notifications during periods of focused work. If an interruption is unavoidable, I politely ask the person to give me a few minutes to finish the current task before addressing their request.